Assalamu alaikum. Hope you might be okay in your respective homes. The world is facing still the threat of the COVID-19. This pandemic disease has covered almost the whole globe, and it has killed more than 3 lakh 50,000 people worldwide. India and the UT of J&K is also under its domination, or we may say under its threat. The number of infected people or infected patients are increasing day by day. The situation seems very alarming in every nook and corner. It is class 11th, subject political science, topic how is Prime Minister of India appointed or elected. In these days of pandemic, you must remain inside your homes, and when you come out of your homes in case of emergency, you need to keep physical distancing and minimize your physical contacts so that this pandemic disease may not cause any danger to you. I will repeat the title for you. How is Prime Minister of India appointed or elected? Dear students, India has adopted or opted parliamentary type of government after the independence of India. In a parliamentary type of government, the party that has majority in the Lok Sabha rules the whole state or the country. And second thing in the parliamentary system is that there are double set of executive. One is the nominal executive and another is the real executive. Real executive. Nominal executive means the head of the state is the President of India. Real executive, the head of the government is the Prime Minister of India. All powers are given in the name of President and they are exercised by the Prime Minister of India. Once Prime Minister, once Prime Minister of India, that is Jawaharlal Nehru, said that the post of Indian President is the post of honor, not post of power. First of all, you need to know what are the qualifications of Prime Minister of India. First, he should be citizen of India. The Prime Minister of India should be citizen of India. Secondly, he should be member of either houses of the parliament, that is Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. In case he is the member of Lok Sabha, he needs to be more than 25 years of age or 25 years of age. If he is member of the Rajya Sabha, he needs to be age of 30 years or above. And fifth, he should belong to the party that has majority in the Lok Sabha. If he is not the member of any houses of the parliament, he needs to become the member of the parliament within the 6 months. Within the 6 months. Lastly, he should be not convicted. He should be not a criminal. After 5 years, general elections in India take place, and elections is considered the soul of Indian constitution, soul of Indian democracy, because in elections the opinion of the people is renewed. Because democracy is that type of a government where people actually rule. India is multi-party. There is existing multi-party system in India, or we may say India have multi-party system. So many political parties take part or contest elections. A party that gains the majority in the Lok Sabha election rules the whole country or state. State means politically country. A party or the party that gains the majority choose their head collectively, and the head of that very party becomes the Prime Minister of India. And Prime Minister of India is appointed by the President of India. Remember it, the Prime Minister of India is appointed by the President of India. And on the advice of the Prime Minister, The rest of the ministers are also appointed by the president, but the advice is given by the Prime Minister of India. Prime Minister is the chairperson of the cabinet. He is the link between the president and the cabinet or the council of ministers. The council of ministers is also headed by the prime minister. So you must keep in your mind that the prime minister is the head of the real executive. In parliamentary system, double set of executives there. One executive is nominal executive that is headed by the president. Another is the real executive that is headed by the prime minister. So summarizing the fact, the party that gains the majority in the Lok Sabha elections and they choose their head collectively, and head of that very party becomes the prime minister, and prime minister of India is appointed by the president of India. It is enough for today. The pace of a network in J&K being very low, we are working on 2G. It is always tough to upload any video of 100 MB on social media sites for you. Dear students, you must remain inside your homes because the pandemic COVID-19 is threatening the world. It is putting or mounting a huge amount of pressure on the world. It is better for you to remain inside your homes. And when you move in out in case of any emergency, you need to keep social distancing. One more thing is their books are available with you. Reference books of political science are with you. Do see these things on the books and you will get the concept grasped very well. If there is any inquiry, you can call me on this number, that is 7006 7006 6711 In case of any query and your query would be answered within fraction of seconds, or you can WhatsApp me on the same number if any query arises in your mind, and I will reply your query within a fraction of second so that your valuable time may not get wasted. But do concentrate on your studies. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I shall be live again for next class. Till then, thanks.